Hello everyone, it's me, Lakayach, and welcome back. From the previous video, we used this IBCC NDC to lift our eyelashes, and from that video, I've created a simple look. So today, here is the full tutorial. Let's start with a liquid foundation and cover all our sumpa using a concealer. And make sure you blend it properly. You can use a brush or a sponge. Next step is prime your eyelids. You can use a concealer or your favorite eyeshadow primer. What I'm doing with my eyebrows is shadowing. I've already laminated it before this video and I'm just cleaning the edges. The transition shade that we'll be using is Mintan. Let's place it all over our eyelids to bring back the color of our skin. And on the outer V, we use the shade Chimon. You can use any brown shade, and whatever excess, use it under your lower lash line. And now the fun part. Let's add a pop of color on the inner corner. If you're afraid of using too much color, I think this is the best way for you to level up your makeup skill. Now I'm using the lip liner in a different way. I will use this to smoke my lower lash line. And I pick up the shade Maa to smoke out my lower lash line using a shader brush. Grab a dark brown or black eyebrow pencil and do a tight line. Make sure it's close to your upper lash line. Grab your favorite white eyeliner and add it to your lower lash line so that you will look alive. And for the mascara, of course, we will be using my favorite Maybelline HyperCurl. And don't forget to add mascara on your bottom lashes. If you'll commit mistakes, just let it dry and you can sweep it off later. Since I have a very round and big face, I'm going to bronze the perimeter of my face only. Of course, don't forget to contour your nose. And for highlight, I am using a matte highlighter. So there will be no shimmer on this face today. Just highlighting the T-zone and make sure that it's bright on my under eye area. The blush that I am using has a peach undertone. Not really a fan of this, but since I am learning Thailand makeup, I'm using it recently. On my lips, I will be adding Lucas Papaw and a shade Toffee from Maybelline.
So this is the look that I've created, and as you can see, my lashes still hold its curls. I think that's all for now. Bye.